Hello YouTube, this is going to be a video of my 80cc66 or 80cc mountain bike, my third build, and yeah, so I just put it together. I got the kit used. Actually a guy bought it on eBay and he never put it together, and yeah, so I bought the whole kit. It was all there, all the pieces were there, and then I bought this bike for 40 bucks and I installed it. So I'm actually have it on my GoPro now, my Hero 4, so I could actually ride it and start it up and show you everything. So it comes with the sprocket, which is one of the hardest parts. You mount that to your wheel, but you have to make sure the wheels are true and that they're not warped in any way, or else you're gonna destroy the wheels and kill yourself probably. It comes with the chain tensioner. The chain's the second hardest thing to install after the motor, after the sprocket. Being that the chain, yeah, you need to cut it, and after you cut it, it's going to be exactly the right length. Install the motor, find the right place. This bike is a 13-inch frame, and I literally just had enough space to put the carburetor in on an angle and install this mini filter thing instead of the entire air filter. Yeah, everything else mounted up okay. The ignition coil, spark plug. Fuel tank had to be on the side because it's not a side pull or bottom pull. This is a top pull bike, so put the fuel tank directly on top. I won't be able to use my brake cable, and for sure not shifting cable, so right now it's just in gear, and that's the gear it's in. I do not have a double brake lever on this one. You could get a brake lever with two cable houses coming out, but I didn't get that, so I have rear brake, front brake in the back, and clutch in the front. How you ride these: prime it up, put the choke on, make sure your fuel valves are on. This one's older kit, so it has fuel petcock on the actual carburetor and another one on the fuel tank, which is a little bit of a nice feature, except that they both leak, so don't trust those. Anyways, you turn it on, you ride with the clutch pressed in and the safety lever depressed on the clutch. And basically it's not like a bike clutch, like a motorcycle or anything. This is a dry clutch with a small Chinese pin that could break if you put any tension on it. So what you gotta do is ride it with the clutch depressed, so it's a freewheel until you get up to speed enough to start the engine to turn it over. Then you pop the clutch and you start the engine. Once it starts, you never let it go below a certain speed. You always keep it at that engine, and you could rev it up higher. When you want to come to a stop, you depress the clutch and push both brakes in. Yeah, so I'm going to start it up, and we'll go for a ride around the block. Okay. kill switch is right here. Anyway, anyways, that's it. That's my 66 or 80cc Chinese kit, eBay kit mountain bike. My third build so far. And yeah, I'm gonna put it for sale because that's what I got it, the kit for. Because it was fun to make and to sell, but not so fun to maintain, being that everything breaks and it's leaking fuel right now. I gotta deal with that. Thanks for watching.